Hello viewers, welcome to English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on soldier. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is soldiers serve in the military and protects their country. Second line is they are trained to use weapons and follow orders in times of war or conflict. Third line is they are often stationed in dangerous and remote areas away from their families. Fourth line is they must be physically and mentally strong to endure the challenges of military life. Fifth line is they are trained to defend their country against external and internal threats. Sixth line is they often work in difficult and harsh environments such as deserts, jungles, and mountains. Seventh line is they sacrifice their personal freedoms and sometimes their lives to protect their country and its citizens. Eighth line is they also provide assistance in humanitarian emergencies. Next line is they are required to follow a strict code of conduct and ethics. Last line, they are respected and honored by their fellow citizens for their courage, dedication, and service to their country.